best, my junior.
No, for sure.
Have fun.
Always, bro. Always.
And we
Which is? Nigga. Oh, is he down?
we're live now, ne?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we're live.
Forward this one, please.
Just put this thing on the story level quickly.
I'll send the link to the group as well.
I got it.
And the G's was asking also in the chat, where are you? Where? They were asking actually, yo, see you on.
Is it?
Yeah, they did ask, yeah.
Cozy, yeah, I got
The
it.
popular demand.
Back.
I'm
Due
back
to
with
popular
another
demand,
video.
bruv.
We alive.
Yeah, we love. What's up, Gwan? Everyone, W's in the chat. W's in the chat.
Popular demand.
NYSE Open. Gonna see what the chat is today.
Welcome to the margin call.
Welcome to Margin Call, guys.
What is
Yes, Zerski.
It's called margin call.
Mm-hmm. Just
All
posting
in,
up the
boy.
chats. Just posting up. Give me a minute. There we go. Just posting. So. There we go. Okay, Cozy. So we're looking at US 30 today, obviously. Market open is at 4:30 due to daylight savings. Just clearing up the chart here. So yesterday we had a nice sell-off. Caught that one beautifully. Waited for the momentum. So we're going to see what it does today. I'm anticipating a buy. But we're going to see. It's going to be quite a tricky one. Open has been very choppy lately. So that's it. Go down to the 30. There we go. So we live. Where's the let me check the live comments here on my end here. What's good, everyone? Welcome. Live chat. W's in the chat. So I'm feeling a bit generous today, okay? So what I'm gonna do today, I'm gonna give away a 50K funded account with Comit Capital. So all you need to do is go to my Instagram page, CJ_Williams_bankroll. Comment on my latest post, comment 50K. I think that'll be dope. Just comment 50K, spam the live chat with W's, and I'll pick one of you guys for 50K funded account through Comit Capital. So let's get it today. Very excited for today. The market is stabilizing nicely after last week. Last week was mental, absolutely mental. Not really for my trading style. So a lot of last week, was not to my T, but it's cozy. Yesterday we came back with a W, beautiful win, shared it with the community. Let's take it from here. So I'm gonna sit comfortably on open. I wanna see what it does, because basically what I'm anticipating today is that New York can shoot up, create a retracement, and then after the retracement, I'll be looking for buys. Obviously, if I see my confirmations, but I'll be sitting with you guys through it all the way, so you guys can gain some free knowledge. I think it's amazing that we're doing these streams because everyone is just getting free knowledge. Hop in, join us, make some money with us. It's absolutely beautiful. That's like turbo mode, bro.
This?
Yeah, that's turbo mode, bro.
This?
That's like that's eco. Yeah. That's medium. That's like normal. Yeah, hit the subscribe button, guys. Hit the subscribe button. If you're new here, don't hesitate to subscribe. We're doing this every week. I'll be chopping this every Tuesday. I'm only gonna do this once a week. But yeah, it's lovely. It's lovely to be live. I enjoy it. I think trading live is awesome. So let's see. It's 2 minutes till open. So yeah, guys, like if you want to win a 50K account, remember, go on my latest post, comment 50K, and I'll choose one of you guys for 50K funded account through Comit Capital. This is what it's about, guys. Empowering the traders of tomorrow. I mean, back when I joined, when I started trading, end of 2018, beginning of 2019, none of this was really like around, you know. Nowadays, it's the easiest it's ever been to become a funded trader, well, to become a profitable trader, in fact. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'm lining my support and resistance level up.
What are we trading?
We're trading US 30. So I'm putting these vertical lines. That's the end of the session. This is the start of the new session right there. That was yesterday's move. London took the high, came back down here, and that was a beautiful sell-off. So we're going to see what happens today. Let's go down to the 15. That's looking nice. That's looking nice. So as we can see right here, subscribe, boys. Subscribe. We're almost on, this morning I checked, we were on 1,600 subscribers. I think that's absolutely amazing that our streams haven't been on for that long.
Yo, bro.
But, hey, you know, I love it. I love it. So as we can see, London took the high there. I'll just close this up. Leave that there, bro. So weird working without a mouse, but it's fun. Making it happen. Okay, so it's open now. Let's see what happens. Just quickly go over here. Okay. We live, gents. We live. Markets open. NYSE is open. So if New York takes the low now, I do anticipate that will be the lowest low for the day. And then it will be basically my indication, obviously adding my confluences to enter for a bar. So we'll see what it does. But it's still very early. Like what I've noticed lately, especially like, when was it? Yesterday also open was very, very, very choppy. It's not like I used to be back in the good old days of, New York Open just pushes one direction, very minimal wick outs, was sensational. Close these. Let's see what open says. So I want to bring up the stock screeners. We're going to see what the major cap companies are doing at this point in time as well, how they're performing while we're in the trade, because that's obviously a big indication of how the market's going to move for the day. Let's pull up the screeners. Let me just move this a little bit so we can see the market. Okay, looks like we're coming a little bit down, but it's still very early though. It's like 20 pips, 20 points, not much. As we can see, Nvidia is down 1.5%, Apple up 1.17%, Microsoft down 1.57%. Let's just let it breathe a little bit. If I'm looking at the screeners right here, the stock heat map, we are looking very negative, but I do feel like, because it's not massive percentages. So there's a very high chance that we can still turn up for the bullish.
This is on US 30, right?
Yeah, this is on US 30.
US 30.
Yeah, this is US 30. So guys, like, it's very, very important that even as a technical trader, you should still utilize these fundamental aspects. Like, the thing is, you don't want to be caught in the trade for a buy, for instance, when all the major cap companies are showing massive negative percentages. It's not going to work out for you. It's either going to be very choppy and you might hit TP, or, hey, it's just a recipe for getting your account blown. Okay, as we can see, there's a nice wick here. So it didn't make a massive low right there. It did break the Asia low. So basically, the London low. So basically, this is the Asia session right here. London took the high, worked its way back down here, made two lower lows. Now we can see that New York has broken the London low there. So we'll look for more confirmation right now. So we're going to see, like, guys, this is a patient game. Like, it's all about patience. You don't need to rush these trades. You don't need to force them. We need to wait for more confirmation. Let's just see, because the thing is, we might end up buying after this pushes hard. It retraces, we get clocked out, and it goes up. There's nothing worse than getting the direction right, but your account can't handle the trade. So that's why it's very, very important for us to wait, take it easy, be calm, and we'll get the right execution. But while we're waiting for the market to push a little bit more, you guys got anything that you want to ask me specifically? Hit up in the live chat. Let's get it done. Let's get it done. Taking notes on that, as you should, bro. As you should. I see Billionaire Rico saying taking notes on that. This is what it's about, guys. It's about the free knowledge that you get from this. As you guys can see, I'm a very, how can I say, I would say a southpaw trader. Like, I don't just trade based off technicals. Yes, I consider myself as a technical trader, but a lot of people ask me,
Do you
they're
also
like,
trade like sentimental, like what you feel, not emotional, but you also feel like it's the perfect time to do that.
Exactly.
Like
Exactly.
when you zone of the market.
Exactly. You know what? Like, so I'll even say, even on different markets, bro. Like, not only just on like indices, for instance, right? Like, even now, like you, as a trader, you can spot opportunities, bro. Like, for instance, now with Bitcoin going down, Bitcoin is hitting. I'm not even a crypto trader, bro. But I feel like personally, bro, that now as we're entering the dip, bro, is the best time to buy Bitcoin. 100%. Yeah, companies also impact. I see Billionaire Rico asks you, do companies you show now also impact NAS 100? Yes, they do. I prefer US 30. It's like a little bit less companies to focus on, so it's like the top 30. Whereas NAS 100 is the top 100, so there's a lot of companies that are influencing those markets. That's why, in my opinion, NAS 100 has been a little bit choppy as of late. So recently, I've just been focusing on US 30, and we'll see. Okay, well, it's a calm day today, guys. Open hasn't been crazy. We're like 5 minutes in, still around like open price basically. Like it did push down, created a nice wick, but that wick is a further confirmation that I think that the market is oversold. Because that's a big thing also when it comes to analyzing these markets. You need to be realistic. You need to look at aspects of the sense of like, what's the market been doing as of late for the last, like, say, for instance, 5 days. As we can see here, the market's been selling off since last week. It's cozy. Market's been selling off for a minute, so I do believe that we're at a certain point in time now where the market is oversold. Yesterday, I wouldn't necessarily say yesterday I anticipated a buy. I feel like we are going to go generally bullish moving forward from US 30 now. But the thing is, it's going to take time. There was major upsets in the market last week with the US government shutdown being reopened, all these things. There's a lot of things happening right now. NFP is back. It's on Thursday. Make sure you're trading it with the best broker, space markets, best conditions, instant withdrawals.
And that's what you're known for, isn't it?
Yeah. It's been like 2 months, bro. I haven't traded NFP because we couldn't, bro. Like the last 2 months, NFP's been, kind of like tentative and rescheduled and all that. So, yeah, I mean, we'll see this month. I think it's kind of obvious where it's gonna go this month, but we'll see. Hey, the market's not showing us much today on US 30. But that's what I'm saying, guys. Like, this is a patient game. I want you guys to lock in, be on the stream with me. We'll be analyzing this together. I'll possibly, if the market allows us, I'll probably be entering a trade on the stream today. Reason being, I asked for the gents, can I come in a bit later when markets open and everything. I really want to trade live with you guys. And if like I said, like the thing is, the stream's only on till 5:30. Sometimes this move might happen at 6 o'clock or 6:30. Guys, at least you guys know where to go, what to look for, and we can take it from there. Still very calm on US 30 now. Yo, like I feel sorry for the oaks that are trading open right now, like especially buying. Yo, bro, that would have clocked accounts. Like a sell would have been cozy. That's like 100 points. It's nice. I mean, I also trade like 80 to 100 points. I don't ask for much. A lot of people tell me that I can make a lot more. The thing is why I don't always aim for like 200, 250 points is the market's very inconsistent in the sense of like, I feel like aiming for 80 to 100, you'll find more consistency than aiming for these big moves because it's not always that the market has the volatility to push that amount of points. Okay, so she's pushing up now. Little bit, not by much. That's it. Brandon John Hall saying number one tool in trading is patience. Yeah, 100%. Don't force the setups, guys. Like, the market is not going to run away. The market will still be here next week. It will still be here next year. It will still be here in 10 years. So you don't need to force these trades. Like, never trade on hope, you know? Trade on solid strategy, what you know. And this is what I'm doing, bro. This is like how I trade. This is what I know. I trade these algorithmic moves in the markets. And that's what's brought me consistency. Still very early, not seeing much on US30, but you guys see how like inconsistent the markets can be, like especially around open. Like they can go three ways. Either it can go, it pushes up, but as of late there's massive wick outs. So personally, me, I don't like trading open, because the thing is, especially someone that's new in trading and all that, like open will ruin your account, especially like guys that are playing with a lower margin and all that. It can really mess you up. Let's go, let's go. For anyone that's new here, we're on US30 right now. Hey. What's up, bro? Are you gonna hop in with me, bro?
Nah.
I was like,
Yeah, I just said no, but that's why I was commenting. Now let's pull up your wine then.
Let's do it. If it's
just
killers.
go there. There's like the two, like they were saying, W of one. And they're like, hey, what's up?
Pulling up.
Our
for
community
sure,
is great,
for sure.
guys. We have
It's
to
scary.
do it, right?
Yeah.
We have a good community,
Oh,
guys.
nice.
Yeah.
Really, honestly.
Very
Like,
good.
we're really creating a different wave. This is like a commit space way. You
And
know,
we're gonna get 2K subs by like next week.
Yeah, 100%. 100%.
Almost at 1.7K
you
now.
got you.
And Oaks are just eating for free, yeah.
Yeah. So,
Let's take it to your bottom. I can't trust him with my heat, bro. Can't trust him.
Hey, bro, there's one barber,
Who's
right?
with a beard?
Hey, bro, trust. There's a barber in Woodmead, right?
Mm.
His name's Rafiq. He's a Turkish oak, bro.
Turkish, bro.
Dude, best fade you'll get in your entire life, bro. I promise you. And he's good, bro. He's proper. And it's not bad, bro. It's like 240 for beard and a
That's
haircut.
not cheap,
Yeah,
right?
bro.
What I'm paying for it, facials.
Yeah, eating the facial levels.
500.
Damn. That's crazy.
450.
Let's go, let's go. W's in the chat, W's in the chat. Let's go. So who's also watching US30 right now? Who's keen on trading US30? Let's go. Open is not showing us much. We need to wait for more confirmation. But I do anticipate that this is going to be the low for the session, and obviously the goal is for it to break the Asia high. Then the strategy is basically validated. If this pushes up for a buy and breaks this high right there, that's the strategy. Then it's W's in the chat. Beautiful. But the thing is, we need to wait for the proper entry, because New York can retrace around this point here. It might retrace around this level right here. We don't really want to enter there. We want to enter around here so we don't get caught in the retracement, blowing our accounts, and then watching the market go up. But yeah, we're not going to force this trade. At the end of the day, the strategy might not work out. The market might still be pushing for a sell. And then unfortunately, I'm not going to be taking that trade because I don't feel confident on how long the sell is going to last. We can be entering a retracing market. So we're just going to see what it does.
I'm adding,
Hmm?
I think I'm adding stuff on your.
Oh, I see.
Just please remove whatever.
No problem, bro. No problem. It's cozy.
But it's
That's fine.
easy.
Your massive wicks. This is why I don't like open. I do not like open lately.
Can you like zoom a little more in?
Okay, for sure.
They can't really see.
For sure. No problem. Let me also, we can close the stock screener for a minute now. There we go.
You just move that all the way that side.
Yeah.
More like a little more till it shows that. Yeah.
There. zoom in a little bit. Look at these wicks, bro, that open is causing, bro. Like, it's just liquidating accounts. Whoever bought, whoever sold just got clocked, bro. This is why I don't like open on US30 lately. You know, like, especially like in markets and market times like this now, and times like this in the market when things are very uncertain and all that, market manipulation presents itself immensely. Let's go. Let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. We need some more confirmation. But is there any questions you guys would like me to answer? Let's go. Screen frozen, but we can't see the charts. Do I trade bank zones? No, I don't. Zoom closer. Make it full screen. There we go. I think it's better. We'll just watch the stock screener every now and then. We need to also monitor what those big cap companies are doing. But it seems like a very, very calm day. Oh, so you see, Nvidia's down 2.4%. Apple's up 0.1%. Microsoft down 1.8%. So obviously these are like the big cap companies that you're looking at. As you can see, the volume, market cap, it's all there. What's Tesla doing? Down 0.92%. Still not crazy. Still not crazy. You know, like, if you guys were wondering, like, what will be a very crazy change in percentage of price for me? Like, for instance, if Nvidia was up now like 6%, that'll be like a proper confirmation to enter a buy for today. Obviously, waiting for the strategy to play out. But that'll be a proper confirmation in the sense of like, okay, cool. When a big cap company is doing such a nice percentage in a gain, then we can obviously anticipate bullish momentum to the top. But it's looking good. It's looking good. It's making its way up. Okay, like what I'm seeing here.
Yo.
This is looking well. Get up 120 points since open. But I do not trust it as of yet. The Lima vape with you, bro. I know.
They caught me vaping.
Who are they?
Hey, bro. They need to legalize it for us, especially us traders, bro. We need to truth in these times, bro. It's the only thing that keeps us sane. Okay. Like in this. This could be the level that it's going to start retracing back. And then it will be a good opportunity for a buy. We need to do a confirmation. So, guys, what can happen now? It can shoot up, but I do anticipate that there is going to be a retracement, like I said. Let's see. Let's see. We're not in a rush. I'm going to see what happens. But how are you guys finding these streams? Are you guys finding it very helpful? Let me know in the comments. Like I said, if you guys want me to talk about anything, then let's go. Wow, we're coming to close. So we're looking in order to take. So what are we looking for? So I just discussed that SS Play is asking, so what are we looking for in order to take the trade? So I'm looking for the strategy to play out. Like as we can see here, we had some a nice buy, bullish momentum to the top. That candle rejected it. So I think that price is going to retrace somewhere around this level and then buy up only. But let's see. You guys can, check this out later even. I'm hoping that we see confirmation so that we can take the trade while I'm on the live. That'll be awesome. Been wanting to do this, catching some W's with you guys in the chat. And yeah, let's take it to the absolute top. I'll be here every Tuesday. So make sure every Tuesday, NYSE Open, you guys are locked in onto the Comit Capital YouTube channel. You'll find me there. We'll be trading live. And let's just kill it, guys. You know, getting some free knowledge, getting on like my insight on how to trade US30. But let's go. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Like I said, I'm going to give away a 50K funded account today to one of you guys. Go to my latest post on Instagram, CJWilliams_bankroll. Go comment 50K in the comment section. Like the post. And let's take it to the absolute top. And then by tonight, I'll do like a lucky draw. And then I'll pick one of you guys. And that account will be allocated to you guys tomorrow. Changing lives. One step at a time. Let's see. I see, it's stuck. Let me just quickly, I think it's stuck, eh? The screen. Yeah. Where's,
Are you going off now?
Hmm?
Are you going live? Off?
I'm already live. I'm just saying that the screen is stuck here. I want to get Shaquel just to help me, I don't know, refresh this. You see, stock screen is still on there. Hey bro, I don't know about that though, I don't know about that though.
Stream dog, wait.
Where's Shaquel, bro? Where's Shaquel? Let's just call him quickly. The stream's frozen. Apologies guys, apologies. At least you can still see me live having a chat here. Let's see. Market's not showing a lot of. Market's not showing like a lot of volatility for me today. Let's see. Let's go. Run up the comments, guys, while we fix the screen. But don't stress, it's still cozy, it's still calm. W's in the chat. Let's go. I love it. I love the energy, guys. You guys are awesome. So I'll see the Ian is asking what time is the draw. So probably, let's see, maybe around 8 or 9. Then I'll announce it on my Instagram story. So go follow me, go watch my Instagram story. I'll announce the winner there. And yeah, we'll get that account allocated to you tomorrow. Cozy. Perfect. We back. We live. We back. So you guys didn't miss much. Thank you, bro. Thank you. You know, I don't really want to touch a lot of things here, bro. Just now, stop the stream or something. Let's go. Let's go. W's in the chat. Okay, now it's making its way down. We're gonna see. Pushing down now, hard. Like I said in the beginning of the stream, New York can still make a low here. And then we'll probably look for the buy up. But yeah, like I said, only if confirmation is there. Remember, our strategy might not be present. Yesterday it was beautiful day. Let me actually, while we wait for the setup to happen properly, let me take you guys to yesterday and show you exactly what I saw. There we go. Okay, so here was the session yesterday. As you can see, this was Asia right here. London took the high. New York came in. This is the open candle, guys. Like, it was horrendous. Look at all these wicks, right? So yesterday was literally just a patience game, like today. I didn't enter too quickly, didn't enter I wasn't rushed for an entry. As you can see, this is the open candle, so it didn't break the high of Asia, right? Well, London actually right there. London took the high of Asia, as we can see. Then around here, this level right here, I got the bullish confirmation. I only entered around here, right? Which was not very advisable, I would say. But I just felt like the bearish momentum was present, and we just carried on further. Like if this was a bit more respected on these levels, like this is not to the T, I would say it should be around about more there, you know. So I entered there, then at least I know that I'm not on a level of support right here. I'm entering there in the sense of like I can get wicked out, or there's a retracement and it plummets back down. But it was a beautiful sell on the market yesterday, and that was literally just the strategy, respecting my strategy, respecting support and resistance levels, respecting pivot points and all that. Let's see what it's saying. Yeah, let's see what it's saying. You see, it's very choppy, very choppy. It's very hard for anyone to make money in such conditions on open right now. That's how open has been since last week Thursday, since the market has started like correcting itself a little bit off that massive pump and that massive dump. Open has been very choppy, massive wicks, as we can see. So I'm staying away from open, like I said in the beginning. W Comit capital, W space markets. I love it. What's the point of putting? Huh? Yo, imagine, bro. Imagine. CJ will settle for a 25k account. Yeah, bro. Hey. Comments. It's funny. Oh, what's the thing, bro? Not a lot of people have balls to do this, bro.
I agree.
But their mouths are big, eh?
Bro,
like
it's always the people that's behind. It's a keyboard warrior.
Trolls, bro. I love it, bro. But in real life, they'll never tell me shit, bro.
Never, bro. That's the thing. I know. I always have, like, people always say something, and like always will have something to say. But then again, it's like, you know what? People people like you see the people who are active here. They see that, look, we're trading live. It cannot be faked.
Exactly.
It's live.
Exactly.
We call our trades free. Like, I don't know what more.
I also don't know. We give accounts away, bro. Like it's like
you
we're
don't
doing a lot in the industry, actually, bro. You get what I'm saying, bro?
And
I don't know what we need to do more to prove.
Yeah, there's only people that are really.
That's it.
Yeah.
Let's see what the chat is. No, streets, bro. Because it's pushing down now. Let's see if it's gonna break this level. Brandon John Hall is saying, let me practice my thank you speech when I win the account. I love it. Hey, you guys are amazing in the chat, bro. Like, really, dude. You guys are proper. I appreciate every single one of you. I'm glad I can share this with you guys, you know. Let's see. Okay, now it's hit that level right there. Let's see. Is it gonna close there? Is it gonna go lower? We'll wait. Massive wicks, bro. Massive wicks. We're only like 25 minutes into open. I really hope that we can get some good bullish momentum now, some good confirmation. Like I said, we probably would wait for the retracement around this level, but you see the market's very. You'll see with what the candlesticks are printing at the end of the day. Like, we could literally shoot up in a matter of 20 minutes and break that high, and then the market can just range for the rest of the session, maybe come back down to this level. But the main idea is that we're aiming for a bar to break the Asia high today. So we'll see. Like, even yesterday, it happened while later after open. Around 6:30, I only entered the trade, and it just kept on plummeting. I closed on like 100 points. Could have made like what? Let's quickly have a look here, so I can give you guys the exact. So I entered around, let's say 46,900. 46, so 500 point trade, O's. You see what I'm saying? Chart, is it frozen again? Oh my days. Okay. Let me just get Shaquel to come and show me. What's up, brother? Let me just call Shaq. Yo, choppy markets. Oh, I mean, if you guys are seeing live, I'm gonna sort out the chart now. If you guys are looking live on your charts there, yo, Shaq, bro. The chart's frozen again, eh? The screen's frozen. Okay, good. Just show me then in case it happens again, then I can quickly. 100%. Appreciate it, bro. Cheers. Bye. Okay, Shaq's coming. He's gonna come sort the charts out. So we're still new to this, obviously, guys. Our equipment's proper, but sometimes you run into difficulties even if you have the base equipment. But yeah, it's decent, But now I'm just gonna call it out before he comes and fixes the screen. He's also gonna show me, so in case that happens, that I can just quickly fix it myself. But it's looking very, very choppy. Not liking the wicks. So that's why I'm saying, just calm and open, patient, see what happens, and then we can see if this resonates into a bar on the charts today. Let's see. Shots, brother. I appreciate the love in the chat, guys. The chat's going crazy, bro. See, this is amazing. It actually, guys, make me want to do this more often a week. But, I'm a father as well, and I value family time immensely. Obviously, work is number one. But also, as you guys know, I also teach people this, and, I have to allocate their time to them as well. Put a lot of work into my community too. So, yeah. Okay. You see, it didn't break that level. Okay, but I'm going to fix the chart just now, guys. Don't stress. W's in the chat. Come on, guys. Send this link to your friends. Send this link to everyone that is interested in trading, that wants to get free knowledge. Don't be shy, guys. Let's build a community. Let's build a proper community. I would love to see this stream have 10K people live one day. Then we just keep on giving helping you guys with the free knowledge, catching trades with us. I think it's going to be absolutely amazing. I really want to, the goal with this stream is for us all to build a space where we'll all grow together, where we can help you guys grow.
I just need to go to the meeting quick.
Okay. Yeah.
Double click chart.
Yeah.
Like that. And then back to chart.
Okay.
And it's okay.
Okay, sure.
There you go. So,
okay, 100%. I got it. How you doing? Nice to meet you, bro. Yeah, for sure. No problem, bro. No problem.
What's your
It's CJ Williams _ Banco, bro.
Are you good at this? Good.
Yeah, bro. Shit.
I'm bro.
For sure.
Teach me. Let me follow you.
For sure. Go for it, bro. Go for it.
So and then, how do I tell people to join this stream?
Hey, bro, it's absolutely for free, dude.
No. I mean, how do I do it?
Okay, let me send you the link, bro. I'm gonna send it to you on IG, bro.
IG, yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
Bro, you must teach me that shit.
No problem, dude. No problem.
Because I actually also work here now.
Oh, you work here now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's crazy, bro. And how you finding it, bro? It's well, eh?
Tough though, I'm not gonna lie. Because I'm an engineer, bro.
Oh, I see.
So it's
software level things.
No. Construction, bro.
Oh, yes, bro. I actually wanted to do construction when I left school, bro. Copy. Yes, I'm sending you the link.
We're just sending to me.
Yeah, I was very into civil and all that, and then, hey, bro, I lost interest in it. I just sent it to you on IG.
IG now, right? I will just tag you.
No problem. Okay, chat. I see that we are pushing down now. Let's see, but it can break the low of this level right there. I see the chart is live now again, as you guys can see. Let's zoom in a little bit there. It can break this low here, but I do anticipate it to maybe fall, then return and come back up. We'll see what it does. Let's just wait. This is a game of patience, guys. This is a game of patience. We don't need to force trades here. So yeah, let's see what the chat is. Let's see what the chat is. Hit me up with any questions in the live chat, guys. Let's go. See, just so calm. I'm becoming calm. Yeah, bro. 100%, bro. I'm hella calm. I hope I'm not boring to you guys, bro. Like, no cap, bro. But like, yeah, obviously when you're in the W's, you know, you're excited and all that. But like, it's always, you need to remain calm and level-headed when it comes to, you know, lining up the perfect setup and all that. At the end of the day, you need to be realistic with yourself. I'm a very big oak on realism, bro. You need to be realistic. This is a marathon, not a sprint. And, you know, not every day is a trading day. But we see what's going to happen today. If the market ends up plummeting, I'm definitely not going to enter today. It's not according to my strategy. And I'm not scared of that, bro. Like, people can tell me, okay, oh, bro, you could have taken that sell, though. Doesn't come to my strategy. If my strategy doesn't present itself, I'm not entering the trade. End of story. But if the signs for my strategy is there, then I'm entering the trade. I trade on criteria. I'm very, very big on that. So calm, but also high. For sure, bro. For sure. How do you get to the point of being calm on the charts? Losing a lot of money. I think that's what really brought me my calmness and my patience, because every time that I rushed trades and I was greedy and I try to force trades, and what happens every time I enter, I trade on hope, you know. It's not like that anymore, and that has really changed my psychology. Like, I know you guys hear this a lot, psychology. It is super important, and it only comes with trading experience. I feel like the best way you can learn that is you put yourself in the market. You know how many 500 Rand accounts I've blown in my life? Damn. What's up, bro? Cozy? No problem. Cheers, brother. Take care. Cheers, man. Keep it coming, bro. We appreciate you, the best teacher. No, 100%. Welcome to the chat, Jeffrey. Welcome to the chat. Yo, CJ, can you check gold for us? No problem. Let's have a look at gold. I see this thing is plummeting. We're just gonna have to watch it now. But let's see gold. Personally, me, I do not trade gold, bro. I would only recommend doing gold on a long-term basis. Gold's looking decent. Nothing really appetizing for me. You can see there's been a nice push. This is the 15-minute though. I would rather say like look on a 30. Like I would rather view gold in a higher time frame. Yo, if you caught this here, look at this. Price came down, nice rejection there. Price broke through it. So this is basically a break and a retest right there. Beautiful buy up on the longer time frame. That's a clean move on gold. I'm not gonna lie. Break of that resistance level right there, as you can see. Let me just like chart it up for you guys. But we do need to get back to US30. But it's fine. Like, as you can see, broke through the level, came through, broke it, and retested again. Beautiful buy. That's clean setup on gold. But for me, still, like, one confluence is not enough to can say, okay, cool, I'm gonna enter, you know. Like, as you guys see, there's multiple things that I watch. I watch the fundamentals of the day. First thing I do every morning, I go into Forex Factory. If there's a lot of like red folder fundamentals, I do not trade my strategy, because it basically creates a lot of like instability when it comes to the market structure and all that. And my strategy is based off market structure, certain movements in market structure that presents itself regularly on US30. I like to call it like algorithmic movements, if anything, because it does work. I think what I'm going to do with the next live, or one of these lives, right? If the market's not looking well or something, we can arrange something. I would love for you guys to hop on like a stream with me, and I just back test my strategy, and you guys can actually see how much it presents itself, especially within US30. Ever since the beginning of this year, even last year, for the last 4 years I've been trading this strategy. There's like 4 variations, but as we can see now, this is the higher time frame. Let's go to the 15. So I'm sure you guys have seen that I monitor the 15 a lot, right? So what we'll basically do once, look at this beautiful candle there. This could be a nice sign of bullish momentum coming in here. Can you guys see the chart? Let the chart freeze again. Okay. Let me just do this. Okay. Chart is live. Is it? There we go. Chart is live. Okay. Apologies, guys. Apologies. I got it. I sorted out. Charts not frozen anymore. Let's go. So I'm liking this. You see, guys, big momentum to the bottom. Rejection right here. Open rejection. I like it. I like what I'm seeing. We're looking good for a solid buy today, just based off market structure out there. Let's see. But like I said, guys, we're not rushing this. There's 20 minutes left of the stream. Let's see, maybe that in the next 20 minutes, market will show us good confluences so we can enter the bar. But at least you guys know that what I'm looking for today, if you guys are interested in maybe catching this trade, I will be sending this trade if it presents itself. I'm going to do you guys a solid, and I have a free signals group on my page. Go to my Instagram page. There's a free signals group on Telegram. I'll be sending the signal there today, as well to my VIP community. I would really love for you guys to catch this trade with me, but only if market structure continues to present itself. Like I said, I'll wait for proper confirmation. We'll see if it just pushes up, but I am anticipating after a push, there will be a retracement. Ideally, we'll get in on the retracement and work our way up to the high, so it breaks the high of Asia right there. But I'm loving market structure right now. It's looking well. He's not pushing down hard. If it was plummeting today, even still, then it obviously wouldn't have been a trading day for us, unfortunately. But let's see. Yeah, guys, go and join the free Telegram signals group. I have a free group where I send at least like one signal a week, little something for you guys. It's better than nothing, you know what I'm saying? Then obviously I do have the VIP. So yeah, we're taking it easy. We're not pushing, we're not rushing. We don't force trades here. It's all about calculated trading here. Let's see. Got like 20 minutes left of the stream. Let's see what it does. But market hasn't been very volatile since open. We're only 40 minutes into open. What I find a lot of times, sometimes open won't be as volatile, and then later in the session that we see volatility, and that's what happened yesterday even. Only around like 6:30, 7, the move happened. But let's see, I'm loving market structure right now. I'm liking how it's looking on the 15. We can go look on the higher time frames as well. On the 30, you can see that it's looking decent. But what I would wait for confirmation, right, once to enter the bar, is I don't just look on the 15, right? I'll start from the 15. If it gives me like a nice push, I'll go to the 30 to see if we get like a nice bullish engulfing on the 15. Then only I'll enter. But like I said, we'll wait for the retracement first, because at the end of the day, guys, look at this level right here, right? This is 46,650, right? Say for instance we get in after, say, market breaks, get in on the retracement, we enter here, that's 46,390. That's almost 300 points to be made on the market. Don't rush this. You know, you don't want to be caught in the wick outs and all that, and the retracements and everything like that. Don't rush it. 300 points is a lot of points to be made in a single day. Dude, you can take a 10K account to 50K with 300 points in a day if you trade it properly. But I'm just aiming for like 80 to 100. A lot of my VIP members know that, you know, I get my 80 points, I'm good. I get my 100 points, I'm good. Yes, sometimes we can make more, but sometimes the market dies out, and at least we know we're guaranteed on that 80 to 100. So we're not greedy here at the end of the day. Let's see. Just got a comment here saying that, did you see what our stocks are looking? Damn. Wow. See, this is why it is struggling to make its way back up. Whoa. Are you guys seeing this? Oh, the screen froze again. Let me just reset this. Let me just quickly do this. Guys, look at the stocks right now. Okay, so it's not major percentages, so I wouldn't really call it an upset. We are seeing a lot of red, but these are like smaller cap. I mean, look at this. The highest I'm seeing is 2.14%, and that's only got like a $270 million market cap. And I know you guys are thinking, damn, that's a lot of bucks, bro. But you need to understand that like there's companies like Nvidia that has almost a $5 trillion market cap. So yeah, the percentages aren't massive, you know. Like here we're seeing a 2.8% increase on PM, $240 billion dollar. Apologies, actually $billion. That was not $1 million, $1 billion. Because obviously Nvidia is on like trillion. Nvidia is down 3.3%. Wow. But you see, market is holding price though. Market is holding price. Like it's not like it's plummeting at all. You see, like that just further proves to me that this thing can make its way up, guys. You know, don't be this like hesitant. Like if it was like a 6-7% down, and remember that's live now. Like it doesn't mean that this percentage is going to be the same percentage for the rest of the day. Like we can see Nvidia have an increase of 5% closer to the end of the session. It doesn't mean that it's minus 3% is going to be like that for the whole session. It just comes down to what are traders doing. Are they buying? Are they selling the stock? What is happening? How is the stock being affected, etc. and etc. Okay, screen's not frozen. I'll just monitor that, guys. Apologies. I think it's the network. But yeah, like even though we're seeing like, and this is a big cap, 4.39 trillion USD. That's the market cap on Nvidia, down 3.1%. Apple's down 0.3%. Microsoft's down 2.43%. And I mean, price is surprisingly still holding. It's not bad. It's really not bad. So I do think we can still make our way up. I do think it's going to be later in this session though. But yeah, yes, I am on the 15. I'm on a 30-minute actually right now. Let's go down to the 15. As we can see there, this is the 15. 100%. God bless every one of you guys. You know, and I encourage every one of you guys also to maybe just say a prayer every day before you enter. It's something I like to do. I actually thought about maybe like see how you guys feel about it. I would love maybe us to start the stream off like that. I'm a very religious person, and I believe in God gives you what you deserve and not necessarily what you want, and you should be grateful for that every single day. You get what I'm saying? God should be the center of your life. I mean, and take it from me, guys. Like, I've been around. I've lived a very extraordinary life, and I was at a stage where I was making a lot of money and I was unhappy. It's because God wasn't the center of my life. Ever since God's been the center of my life, things have been falling into place. My mental health is great. My family life is great. My financial life is great. And I'm not trying to like push it down your throats or anything. But I'm just a realistic person at the end of the day, guys. I'm not going to just come chop you and say, bro, made this. And I'm just trying to say that good, do all that, but put God first. It really is important. Amen. All the way. Amen. All right. So yeah, maybe the next stream, we can start off the stream just with a prayer, because I like to do a prayer just before the session starts. Today was a bit of a rush, but I think it will be nice if we can make that a normal thing of like us all just having a quick prayer before we enter the markets, and always asking God for what we deserve and not necessarily what we want. And if He blesses us with the W today, that we may rejoice in it and have gratitude for it. And not only just that, if we do lose, we see it as a lesson and we don't let it ruin us. Okay, market is pushing down now. But like I said, New York can still make the low, right? And then still shoot up. We'll see. But obviously, if we're looking at stocks right now, and we're literally translating it into US30 right here, this is the main reason why we're seeing bearish momentum. Yes, some people might ask, time for normal thing. Please time for normal thing. I need to get back into that. Yes, I would like to join your VIP. No problem, bro. No problem. Hit me with a message. That's for sure. But as we can see, like on the stocks here, that this is translating into the bearish momentum that's happening right now. Some people might say that, okay, cool, CJ, like, why aren't we trading this based off stocks? Just based off trading off stock screeners is not, I wouldn't say it's a very like longevity strategy, because as I mentioned to you guys, right, this is like live what stocks are doing right now. This can change in 2 seconds. Literally in like 4 or 5 seconds, Nvidia can be up with 6%. You get what I'm saying? And then you in the sell, there's no longevity in that strategy. But yeah, we're still steady pushing. Let's have a look at it. 10 minutes left, 12 minutes left of the stream. So yeah, guys, if there's anything you would like to ask, go for it. I don't know if we're going to enter right now in the next 12 minutes. We really need a lot more confluence for that. But monitor the trade, guys. All I ask is at least you guys have the knowledge now. You know what to look for. I've explained it, and I'll quickly explain it once more again before I end the stream. What to look for, and we'll just take it from there. If it breaks this level here and it goes further down here, I would be more hesitant towards buying. Then it might just be not our day. Then what's happening is the market is just pushing down, and like I said, I don't trade when I don't see my strategy. At the end of the day, this is a game of longevity, not just to make a quick buck one day and then lose everything the next day. So let's see. But got knowledge on adding stocks as a confluence. No, I'm glad, and that's basically. So Rico says, yeah, you got knowledge on adding stocks as a confluence, as you should. Guys, I can't preach this enough. You can never ever, and take it from a guy that solely, like mostly trades US 30, is that you cannot be trading US 30 or NAS 100 by not watching what stocks are doing. Because remember, it's a compilation of indices, a compilation of these stocks that's then put together, and their performance translates into the momentum. Their combined performance translates in the momentum and the movement of US 30 and your likes of NAS 100. Is it frozen once more? Yes, it is. We need to sort that out. We'll sort that out. Boom. There we go. So as we can see there, it's making its way down. But like I said, guys, like if it breaks this, if it goes lower than this level of support right here, I wouldn't really say that I'll be 100% looking for the bars. Then it's just not my day today. But like I've explained to you guys what happened yesterday, like these days on the market presents themselves, and it's due to us as traders to take due diligence and make the most of it, obviously by adding as much confluences as we can. You can't be just trading off, let's say for instance, a break and a retest. Remember when I did analyze gold earlier, well, just a little, I wouldn't really say analyze, but I just, I had a look over it. Let's see, chart's not frozen, lovely. I just had a look over it. That was just purely a break and a retest, but you should add more confluences, most definitely. There we go. Okay, let me just explain that again quickly, right? If on US 30, that if it breaks lower than this level of resistance right there, I wouldn't really be looking for the bar. But as we can see now, I think it might turn right here, break that level, retest it, and then we make our way up for the bar. I encourage you guys to watch it very closely, because what can happen, this candle can push up now. There might not even be a retest, and it can pump through as well. But we'll see now. So if you're going to do that later and we don't have time on the stream to enter the trade, right, just watch on the 30-minute as well. If you see market structures looking well on the 30-minute, you're seeing like a nice bullish engulfing. Also, like I said, be wary of the retracement. Patience, guys. Patience. Then we'll enter for the bar. But I will be sending, like I said, a free signal on the free signal group. So if you guys want to hop in there, go to my Telegram channel. It's on my IG page. And yeah, bro, like we'll just wait for the proper entry. I'll be sending it to the VIP and the free signal group as well. So Brandon John Hall is asking, so confluence is the key to sniper entries. Confluence, patience, market structure, knowing market structure, understanding market structure. It comes down to experience, bro. Like I've explained to my VIP community as well, because on my VIP signal community, it's not just like you're getting dished out signals, like every day I'm sending people breakdowns. I'm saying this is what I'm looking at, so that everyone knows like why we're taking this trade. And I think that's very important. Like not a lot of signal groups aren't like that. They just dish it out. You take it, it is what it is, and you hope and you pray. At least when you're taking the signal, You know why we're taking the trade. And when it hits a W, you actually learn something as well. You start to understand how I trade. You get what I'm saying? God first. Thank you, bro. So powerful. 100%. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Guys, don't forget to comment 50K in my latest post. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll be giving away a funded account, 50K funded account for you guys tonight. I'll be announcing the winner on my story, so make sure you lock in. Let's see what it does. And please, to everyone that's watching this stream, followers, amazing people, haters, all of you guys, right? Just go watch this trade. Just go watch how the market plays out. Keep on watching my streams, and you will see how accurate I am as a trader. I encourage you all to do that, 100%. Thanks, bro. Margin call. All you guys are legends. It's W's in the chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Let's go. I'm gonna lie. I think next week I'm gonna bring up a guest to join me on my stream as well. I think it's gonna be like more energy, lovely vibes as well. I'll speak to some guys to come and join me, and we'll just take it from there. But the stream is ending in 5 minutes. So guys, just to recap what my thoughts are on US30, we can still be looking for a buy today. Let's just let the market play out. It seems like this is going to take a while still to push up, but it might not. So if you guys are trading US30, I would honestly encourage you to watch and monitor it closely. We can have a great push up on the next candle here, retracements possibly, and then look for the buy up right there. And I strongly anticipate that we will be breaking Asia highs right here. But if market goes down, breaks this level of resistance, see, it's frozen again. Okay, no problem. Let me just quickly do this. There we go. Charts live. Yeah, charts live. Let's go. So like I said, I honestly still feel like we're looking good for a buy. We can have a push up here. It might push through all the way within like 3 candlesticks. But I strongly anticipate that it's going to take the low, push up, retrace around this level, and then we will be looking for buys to break the Asia high right there. But like I said, if price continues to plummet, it goes lower than this level, like deep low. I'm looking at, like, I would honestly say like a 45,500 zone right here. I wouldn't really be looking at a buy anymore today. I'll just let the market do its thing. It's very unlikely that it's going to break the Asia high like that. So like, this strategy presents itself. It's like not every day is a trading day. You guys need to be realistic about that. But that's what's going to get your consistency up, is looking for these things and only trading on the days where you feel confident, where you see all the confidences are presenting itself, and we can take it from there. Let's have one more look quickly at screeners quickly before the stream ends. The stream is ending in 4 minutes. You see, guys, Nvidia down 2.5%. It was 3.4% like 5 minutes ago. So you guys get what I'm saying, like why you can't just trade off screeners. It's just a live, basically a live representation of what stocks are doing right now. Dr. Caesar saying, nice chat. Take out the liquidity down below, then looking for buys. That's it. Thank you, CJ. It's absolutely a pleasure, guys. I hope you guys have gained some knowledge out of this. I love actually sharing this with you guys, and we'll see. I mean, like I said, we're still anticipating buys for today. The market is oversold, in my opinion, generally on a longer term view, but I do think we're going to start making our way back up. We are on like 40, let's get the exact number quickly, 46,100 right now. I do anticipate, don't take my word for it, but I do anticipate within the next, before the year ends, we're going to be anywhere between 4,800 and 50,000. I do think that before the year ends, we will see 50,000. And I'm actually saying this because I'm hoping that I can take this, right? And then when the year ends, when it reaches 50,000, you know, get what I'm saying? But I do think it's gonna pump. Obviously, with the US shutdown, there has been like very uncertainty. Markets have been choppy, but at the end of the day, it's the US economy. It's one of the most powerful powerhouses in the entire world. They'll make a comeback. Trust and believe. W is now really going to start using screeners, though. One of the confluences, 100%. Rico's saying he's really going to start using screeners as a confluence, as you guys should. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Break and a retest is a confluence. If it breaks here, retests the level. That's even a confluence on its own right there. There's so many things you can look for. Like I do believe that you need to have at least 5 to 6 confluences in order to enter a trade. And because I've been doing this for a while, you know, sometimes you don't get always the time to quickly look at all your confluences. You need to be realistic, you know. Sometimes the market shoots up so quickly that you just need to enter based off your strategy, break in a retest, support and resistance. What is stock saying? What are they communicating? And just take it from there. All right. No, anything before the chat? 2 minutes left in the stream, guys. It's been amazing. I really do appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys have been awesome. Just another reminder, I'm giving away a 50k fund account on my Instagram tonight. So let's spam the stream with W's. Let's go. Let's go. Spam it. Just hit some W's. That's it. Don't forget. Comment 50k on my most recent post. Give the post a like and give me a follow. And then I'll pick a winner from someone in the comment section tonight. Let's say around 9 o'clock. Obviously, I'm going to be on the charts probably till about 7 or 8, depending on what market structure translate. So I hope you guys found the stream absolutely amazing. And like I said, I really hoped that we're going to catch a trade within this hour, but we're not forcing things. You guys get what I'm saying? Let's wait for confirmation. You guys know now what to look for. I've explained everything. And let's take it to the absolute top. Let's see if it translates into a buy. I still strongly feel it will. But I think it's only going to happen maybe around in the next hour or 2, maybe 3. Can be closer to the end of the session. Remember, the end of the sessions are around 10 o'clock at night. So for you guys, if you guys didn't know that, the session pushes till about 10 o'clock at night. So some nights, you know, your boy sits till that time, you know. If the market structure is there, it's there. But let's quickly do W's in the chat. I have to end the stream now, guys. Thank you so much. It's been nothing but a blessing. Let's take it to the absolute top. You guys already know Bankroll FX. Let's go.